Welcome to the technical analysis of pound dollar on the 15th of February. First of all, though, be aware of this risk disclaimer. Please pause the video to read the entire disclaimer. This is the pound USD 4-hour chart, and it is a bit of a mess at this moment because price is in a triangle indicated by the orange line here and blue line. If we zoom out, you can see here basically how price is making a contracting triangle in a way. There is momentum to the upside indeed. Look at this. Pretty sturdy in fact, but price is now making corrections, as you can see as well. So from my perspective, it is corrective, but I think there's a good chance of a continuation to retest this resistance trend line. Let's zoom in again, and you can see that the bullish momentum is certainly a major part of that reason. All right. Now at this particular spot, the price has reached the 50 fib, but this upside has been quite corrective. So if it does break through the blue line, I think there is a breakout trade back to the 61.8 potential possible there. The golden ratio around 122.50, which could be a bouncing spot. So on a lower time frame like the hourly 30 or 50-minute chart, there could be a breakout range for later this week or today perhaps. In the meantime, if price does break below this support level, I would not be jumping in shorts because I think that the blue line could still provide a bounce spot too. So the blue line is a bounce or break spot. If it does break, the target is the 61.8 fib, and there could be a bounce. If it does bounce, the first target would be the resistance trend line. If it breaks that resistance trend line, then it would probably go to the next resistance trend line at around 127. So it is quite a tight space. I am not a particular fan of the pound USD. I actually like other pairs more. Perhaps oil, perhaps euro dollar. We already did some updates. Check out elitecurrency.com and go to the trading systems and then click on live daily analysis for all the updates we did earlier today on those. I like those a bit more. The dollar yen too, for instance. Pound dollar, not a big fan at this moment, but generally speaking though, if it does make a dash down to the 78.6 fib, I will look for candlestick patterns at 124-ish, 123.75 for a bounce. First target 125, which is this resistance, and then later this week, maybe if it breaks above this, around 126.40, as you can see here, the minus 272 target. So this could be a bullish zone as well for a bullish breakout, but that is quite far from current price. If it doesn't move down, but rather breaks above resistance like this, that's not a great trade, I think, either, because price is running into 125 resistance plus that trend line. Price would be around 124.75 when it breaks out. That is not a lot of space, folks. I would rather just let it break, let it hit that resistance, and if it makes a bull flag, I would then be interested in taking the break of that bull flag. So if it does this, for instance, this blue arrow, bull flag, and then breaks that bull flag, the break of the bull flag, where I have the green circle, that is something I am interested in, but not so much this first break where I have the pink circle right there. That is not much space. So that's about it from my side on pound at this moment. Quite corrective and choppy. So let's wait maybe for another day to see if the market environment looks a bit better. Thanks and wish you good trading.